Hiya, how we doing? A while back, I can't remember who, somebody asked me for a video regarding balms and aftershaves. Aftershaves, post splashes and other perfumes, other toilettes. I'm going to start off with the post shave stuff. So I've got a variety of post shave splashes. So Wickham's got Gothic Revival, Khalifa from A&E, which is a favourite of mine, Doppelganger Black Label, which is Sauvage, that's Endymon from Florist, Truth It Nail, one of the English splashes. Anyway, Herb Garden from OSP, OSP number 8, mine came with that label, and a couple from Brian from Signature Soaps. These were Testers, Valentia and Ibicorum. So that's basically post shave splashes that goes with soaps and scents, some of them. Can't forget Nivea Two Phase. You can see why it's called Two Phase with the two layers. Shake it and go. Next we move on to Spain with Unia aftershave lotion. Picked this up when I was in Tenerife a few years ago. Very cheap, about €3, and it doesn't smell of anything, and it's quite good. To stay with the Spanish theme, we'll go for Floyd. This is Vigoroso, isn't it? Yeah, Vigoroso, which means it's got a fair bit of menthol in it. And Black, which I don't think you can get in the UK anymore. I think we might have stopped making. That's the Spanish stuff. French, I've got two of these. I think I picked these up from the groom room in Dundee. I'm not sure if they are the same. They're both eau de toilettes from Goudray. Quite small bottles. This stuff, if you get it on a towel, it's red. It just turns it red. So there's a second bottle. I'll mix some of that in with some witch hazel just to give it a bit of a kick. 70% alcohol. It's got quite a good sting to it. Next, couple from Sweden. Hager Green and Hager Blue. Not readily available in the UK, and it now costs an arm and a leg thanks to Brexit to get it imported. Next, Trumpers Beer Rum. That's a clone. I won that one down at the groom room. And that is about it for the post shave stuff. So I'll get the aftershave sorted out and then we'll come back. Right, the expensive stuff, the proper stuff. Start off with Mont Blanc Explorer. Think Creed Aventus, but for a lot less money. Next one I'm going to throw in is Hermes Club de Nuit Intense, also Creed Aventus. However, this is probably a third of the price of the Explorer. Different take on it. Next we have Green Irish Tweed, or a take on Green Irish Tweed. Again, which is Hermes, which is trading away. Doesn't last long on the skin, but it's a lovely scent. Next one is from Ajmal, another Arabic perfume. It's one I like. It's green, it's spicy, it's quite nice. That's it there in the bottle, and it is value for money, is exceptional. It's probably £20 for a bottle. It's Sacrifice 2 for him by Ajmal. We'll stick with the Arabic stuff. I quite like the ouds, the woody scents. So I've got Oud Arabi Black Orchid, which is basically flowers and wood. Again, this is eau de parfum strength. A little goes an awful long way. I've got 3 Oud Arabis. This one's Oud Wood. Bottled very similar to Manacera. That's quite a favourite. And again, eau de parfum. And last but not least, it says try not to drop it, is Oud Isfan from Oud Arabi. This one is it's the best of the lot, it really is. Probably has the most use, you can see by the level, but it's a cracking oud sort of oud scent. So I do like my ouds. Speaking of ouds, we'll do this one here, which is Zeus, or Zeus. That's the bottle there. This one is basically, it's sold as an oud, but think of it as a mixture of Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille and Aventus. Good value for money, this one. Right, in no particular order, now we shall have, I think this has been discontinued, Forest 1962. I was lucky enough to win this at a raffle at the Groom Room during one of the Scottish meetups. Absolutely beautiful scent, but I think florists have discontinued this, which is a shame. Next we go to Italy, in Kyton, no, Japan. Is it Japan or Italy? Italy, I think. Kyton Black and Kyton Red. I bought the red first, absolutely love it. It's a gorgeous scent. Been around a fair while. I like it so much, I bought the black. Next we're going out of London, got a Shane Blue. With Oud Leaf. Again, I said, I do like the ouds. And we also have Kingswood from Shane Blue. Again, which is a take on Aventus to a degree, but it's got a lot more leather and more wood to it as well. A classic. I don't know how old this thing is. A Gist by Chanel. Hasn't had that much use, but it's a scent that it's the only Chanel scent I've got. I really enjoy the Gist. The next one I bought purely to go with the shaving soap. Good justification, isn't it? Wickham's Apricus, which Darren, if you see this, please put it in part of the general lineup. It's such a good scent, if it's at all possible. Is Sauvage, or Eau Sauvage by Dior, not the Johnny Depp stuff. This is the original 1960 odd, 1966 scent, from thereabouts. Again, lovely scent, one that I don't wear very often, should wear it more, but it is a cracker. And the last three. Next one is Banana Republic by Neroli Woods by Banana Republic. This is a take on one of the Tom Ford ones. I think it's Portofino. So it's Mediterranean, summery, nice, light. And you can pick these up for relatively little money. And the last two is Hermes. I have Très Fresh. I've got Tour de Hermes. That is the more citrusy version on the opening than this. These are both, that's eau de toilette, that's eau de perfume. I did try the intense vetiver, but didn't really get on with it, so there's enough of vetiver in those two for me. So that's it, folks, really. That's the post-shave splashes and aftershaves that we've got. See if I can, I'll try and put one together, something similar for the balms. However, if you've tried any of those scents that I've shown you, or if you want more detailed descriptions, look at Fragrantica. There'll be a link in the description box below to that site, cracking site for reviews and what smells like what. They don't sell stuff, it's just a database of scents. Any comments? Leave them below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.